Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Stewart, and I wanted to give you a couple of the success stories that I have seen my patients with. Like, we had one person, she came in and she did the magnetic chair for 1 hour, and at the end of that hour she said there was something in her eye and she felt like it had a contact bubble on top of that eye. And when she got up, there was actually a parasite coming out of her eye. And it freaked her out, but it convinced her that this machine was doing something really different than what anything else she'd ever experienced. Most people don't experience parasites coming out of their eyes, right? So, okay, that was one person. And then the next person was, we had a person that came in with high anxiety, just could not sit still, absolutely felt like she was losing her mind, going to crawl out of her skin, could not get calmed down. And she sat in the chair for an hour, and by the time that she was done, she said, I don't know how to describe it, but it's something like the most peaceful calm. I went from up here to just gradually coming down. And she said, I feel like I'm in a Zen experience, or a mellow place that I can handle anything now. So that was the second one. And then a third one is, we had a lady that is in her 80s. She had been bladder incontinent for years. She was really worried about ever going out in public because she had so much constant leakage that even wearing the pads, it didn't matter. She would leak, and then she would stain her clothes or stain the furniture that she was sitting on, and she just had kind of got to where she just stayed home, which is what happens a lot to the elderly. They become recluses. They can't get up and go and do the things that they want to do. Well, she came in and she did a 1-week intensive with us, which means that she stayed with us 24/7 for 7 days. And at the end of that time, after being on the magnetic chair, the bladder incontinence was completely gone, and she was so excited because now she's out doing the things that she's always wanted to do again.